Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I am going to do a herringbone pattern tumbler using stencil vinyl and paint. So let's jump right in. I'm starting out with a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler. I'm using this because I have no white paint. So, well, spray paint. And so I just lightly sanded this, and then I am going to attach the template. I got this template from FABRICA. Everything that I use will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So I'm just going to use the template, and I had already marked on there what colors I wanted to go where, and I'm just trimming it down to make it easier to apply as even as possible. Once I'm happy with where it is placed, I will go ahead and remove the little backing that I had cut off and press down the template using the squeegee. Once that is all pressed down, I will go ahead and remove the transfer tape from the tumbler. So the glitters I will be using today is all from Peach Yellow Glitters, and it's Sweet Georgia Peach, Goddess, Jerkface, and Manifest. I thought all four of these colors complemented each other pretty well, so that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to start with the darkest, which is Jerkface, and I am going to mix up a paint that is similar in color, and I'll use this for both the the jerk face and for the Sweet Georgia Peach, but I will lighten it more when we get to the Sweet Georgia Peach. So I'm just putting a little bit of red, a little bit of orange, a little bit of yellow, and quite a bit of white to give it that coral color that I'm looking for. Mix that up pretty well. And then I will add in the white to lighten that up. And then I do add in the Crystalac glitter glue to this as well. When I'm happy with the color, I will go ahead and, like I said, add that Crystalac glitter glue into it, mix that together, and then I'll remove all of the jerk face labels from the tumbler. Now, I'm not going to let you sit here and watch me paint and glitter every single one of these. I mean, I do, but I'm going to speed it up really fast so that because it's pretty boring just to sit and paint and glitter. The only one that I don't do on camera is the white. My phone had died, so I didn't get a chance to film that. But it's the same concept, except any paint, I just use the glitter glue to adhere the Manifest glitter. Now, once all of the glitter is completely on there and I've given it a few hours for it to dry, I do completely seal this twice with Rust-Oleum clear coat. So now I've moved on to the Southern Peach, and now I'm on to the Goddess. This is how fast I've got it going. And then once that is dry and it's sealed, I do add 2 coats of epoxy. So now we're going to go ahead and line it. I cut out a bunch of lines using the teckwrap craft textured gold vinyl. And I'm just going to go ahead and line each of these. I was trying to make it less monotonous, but I found the easiest way after doing a couple of these was just to put on some music and go for it. It did take, this was the longest thing it took to make sure the lines were straight. So yeah, but I'm going to speed this up too so you don't see me doing this for an hour. Now, once I was done lining, I just made sure, like triple checked that all of the lines were done, cut off any excess that I needed to. I did seal this using the CCDiy clear coat so that none of this vinyl lifted. And then I gave it 2 final coats of epoxy. And once that was cured, this is what we have. And I am obsessed with this tumbler. I don't want to put it on the website, but I'm going to because I want to keep this. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.